Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 5 video of learning Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced level. So in this video we will proceed the different tools and their functions that are available in the home tab in the Microsoft Excel. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos, and also if you want to learn the different softwares related to civil and structural engineering, you can visit my channel. So let's start the different tools and their functions that are available in the home tab. In the previous video we have discussed these tools and these tools, the font category of tools and the clipboards. Now we will discuss the different tools available in the alignment category of tools. So here in the alignment tools, this is basically related to the paragraph alignment. Let's suppose this first one is you want to align your text on the top. Let's suppose this is you write 2 3, this is a number, and now you want to make it here at this top. So you can use this top align tool. When you click on this, so now you can see the alignment has been now at the top left of the cell. Now if you want to make it here at the center, you want to make it to be at the center, so you can select the cell and will click on the centers, and now at the middle. So now you can see it has been shifted to the center of the cell. Now if you want to make your cell to be here, you can click here. Now you can see it has been shifted to here. If you want to your text to be here at this corner of the cell, you can make it to here. If you want to make it here, so you can now you place at this location. So through this you can make your text to this location, and then through this you can make your text to this center locations, and through this you can move your text to this corner of the cell. So these are the different tools for the alignment, and this is also the alignment tool. If you want to make your text to be in angular, so you will select this and will want to rotate it up. Now you can see it has been rotated up. If you want to rotate with angle counterwise, now you can see it has been rotated with a counter clockwise, means in this direction, counterclockwise from their base orientations. Now if you want to rotate it up, now you can see it has been rotated up. If you want to rotate it down, so now you can see it has been rotated down. You can read from here 1 2 3 4. And if you want to rotate vertical text, now you can see it is in the vertical format. So you can change the alignment from here in different directions, and from these two you can move your text to the left side or to the right side of the cell. So now you can see it has been shifted to the So now it is in the original state, and we want to move it to this in this direction. In the now it is in outmost in this locations, so we have to move it to this corner. So through this you can move it. Yes, so this you can move to this directions, and through this you can increase the cells, the size of the cell by moving it in this direction, so the cell will increase. If you want to move it to here, so you can simply click on this, so it move, so you can move it in the left or right directions from these two tools options. So now this is the wrap text. If you want to wrap your text, means if I want to write here something like 1 2 3 4 5 school duty. Now you can see the text is now out from this cell. If you want to wrap, so this will be wrapped in this, will be adjusted in this cell when you click on the wrap. So we want to click on the wrap. Now you can see the text has been now adjusted in the cell. So this is what the function of the wrap text tool available in the alignment category of tools in the home tab in the Microsoft Excel. So the next one is the merge and center. Through this you can merge. Let's suppose if you want to merge this and this two, or you want to merge this and this, so you will select, and we'll click on the merge, so these two cells will be merged to each other. Now you can see the two cells has been now merged to each other. And if you want to merge these 1 2 3 4 5 cells, so you will select and will click on the merge. Now you can see it has been merged, and you can see we provide the borders. So now you can see this has been merged, and if we apply a color to them, so now this is a single cell. If you want to write something, so this will be acting as now you can see all of the text has been written in this as a single cell. So you can merge, and the merging of the cell plays a very important role while you are working on analyzing and making a detailed data in the Excel. So this plays a very important role. So the next category of tools, now we have discussed the different tools available in the alignment, and also from this button you can customize these tools on the home tab. You can remove or add some other tools in here in the alignment tools from here. So these are the different options, and you can also change and customize as per your requirements. So these are the different options. From here you can customize the tools from these buttons, this, and some others available now in the inserted. These are the different buttons through which you can customize the available tools by default. So now if you have any questions in these tools, you can ask in the comment section, and in the next video we will discuss these tools and their functions along with the help of example. So thank you for watching this video.